Dear educators, welcome to Student Alliance community. So a lot of people ask me that the panel is great, the features are great, but how do I connect my Bluetooth devices in case I want to record a video, in case I want to do things which can be more interactive. So I'll make your life much more easier. Just go to settings. There are two ways you can get to settings, either from here or directly you can click on the Wi-Fi option there. Here we have Bluetooth. Now I have switched on my Bluetooth here, and from the Bluetooth, let me say I'm just connecting my AirPods. So I'll just put this on the connection mode. So here I have my AirPods. Just click on them. It is pairing. So as soon as that is done, I can now connect the devices directly on your Bluetooth, and that way you'll be able to connect as many devices as possible, from a keyboard to a mouse to a laptop, anything that has Bluetooth connection. Thank you so much.